guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're learning consonant and vowel. Vowel is 5 letters with a, e, o, u. Tapos yung consonant, marami pero hindi ko pa kaya. Yeah, okay, tapos B, C, T, parang ganun lang. Tapos, yun lang yung vowel and consonant. Dapat nyo pag-aralin yung consonant at vowel. Remember, remember that consonant is madaming letters and vowel is 5 letters only. So, parang a, e, o, u, consonant, parang ganun ka. Kantayin nyo yun para maganon din nyo yung and bye bye and see you in my next bye bye.